So in this we are going to see about motivation and satisfaction. So who will motivate and how they will get satisfied. For example, we'll consider an organization. So in an organization, motivation is one of the important element in which the directing process. So it is a directing process. The manager will direct the employees to achieve a set of process. So, by motivating the workers, the manager directs or guides the workers' action in a desired direction for accomplishing the goal of an organization. Importance of motivation. So, how important motivation is in an organization? So, a manager is having a task to motivate others to perform the task of the organization. So each and every organization will have a set of rules or a task to complete in a particular time. So each and everyone should be motivated and they want to complete the task in a particular time. So motivation is an effective instruction in the hands of a manager for inspiring the words of force and creating confidence in it. So, if a particular person or a manager is motivating a worker in an organization, we want to consider two things. One is the ability to work and the willingness to work. So, both are different things. So, ability to work is how particular person is having the ability, how he is having that capacity, and the willingness is how he is interested in the particular work. So without willingness, the ability to work is no use. So the willingness to work can be created only by motivation. So uh, im- motivation is most important. So it gives the proper way, and if we want to motivate each and every employee in a right direction, the major role of a manager or a hierarchy is to motivate the employees or workers in a proper direction. So motivation is the best remedy for resistance to change. So in general, each and everyone will have their own nature and characteristics. So in an organization, motivation gives the importance how each and everyone is motivated and how the manager is directing a set of people or individual towards the work. Okay, so motivation is an internal feeling. The first characteristics is motivation is a internal feeling. So motivation which generates in the mind of an individual the feeling, the task he is lack certain things and need those things. So motivation is a force within an individual that drives him to behave in a certain way. So each and every internal will have a set of characteristics. So we want to motivate them internally. So the next one is motivation is related to needs. So in the word itself we are can able to find that needs. So needs are the differences which are created whenever there is a psychological imbalance. So in order to motivate a person, we have to understand his needs, that is which called for the satisfaction. So we want to find the need of a particular person individually, his needs. So the last and the final one is motivation produce goal directed behavior. So only if you find the way, if you directed towards the goal of an organization, then only we can able to motivate him his behavior. So goals are anything which will alternate the need or reduce a drive. An individual's behavior is directed towards the goal. So generally we want to see both positive and negative. So each and every one in every situation we want to think about the positive and negative. So like that, if you are motivating a particular employee or a particular person, so first we want to identify them in what way we want to motivate. So in that, positive motivation is generally based on the reward, and the negative is based on force and fear. So satisfaction. Satisfaction is a common thing that each and everyone will have that. So not only in the employee and our organization, each and everyone, apart from that, each and every general common person will have a satisfaction. So if he gets something or he achieved a great thing, at the end moment will have that satisfaction, the happiness. Okay. So satisfaction is the pleasure that you feel when you do something or get something you wanted or needed to do or to get. So it's the satisfaction. So employee satisfaction can be find in many areas in an organization. So in that, management, understanding of mission and vision, empowerment, teamwork, communication, and co-worker interaction.